Still day 201 overhead press every day. It's now about 12 hours later, the opposite end of the day. And as I said in the last video, when you do only one hand, the next session, maybe you go back to using only the other hand. The volume evens out. PR'd this morning, bottoms up clean and press, 10 times 24 kilo, left hand. The current PR is 15 reps, 24 kilos, right hand. I'm going to look to beat it. Get 2 PRs, 2 separate mini sessions on the day. That PR tie rep was a battle, and I'll see what my count was on the video review. Right there. 18, fail 19. See you tomorrow. Another one in the rain.